So what we got here is the XGP X10. This is a first look unboxing video. We just ordered this as my wife and I are looking for perfect comms. We did tons of research and this seems to be the best bang for your buck. I reached out to the company, and the one thing I couldn't find online was the warranty period. Company quickly responded. They explained to us that the warranty period is 2 years, which is absolutely awesome for something of this stature. But let's take a look. Let's open it up together. And the packaging, nice foil, clean. As you can see, there's the two headsets. Get some nice artwork behind it. Just take a closer look at one of these headsets. You can see, relative to the size of my hand, very compact, very small, but it feels tough. Jog wheel, feels very tactile. Got your forward and back buttons on the top, and this is the sync button for you to be able to use the mesh. We got the double pack, so as you can see, there's two in here. Let's open this up. So in the foam, we have the two headsets themselves. We'll set those off here. We have what looks to be the complete manual, which has the universal pairing instructions, the music functions, the volume, the mesh intercom function, which is what we are really into. The reason we went for this one in particular is because it looks like the mesh, not only to these devices, but to other devices, is very simple. And that's what we wanted. We wanted to be able to put this on our helmets, get out on the road, be able to talk to each other and stay safe. At the same time, we want to be able to hear our music and answer our phones. And as you can see, this is very detailed. Underneath that, looks like we have two individual boxes. We'll open up one of these. Here's one. Inside of there, looks like we have our actual speakers, have our 3M tape on the back, and you can see these have your port for the microphone and your USB-C port to connect to your headset. We also have both mounts. This looks like we have the one that we'll probably be using, which is the metal clip mount. So it's got a really robust, look how strong that is. Really robust clip mount that you'll slide up in the helmet, which we'll do in another video. It also has a mount that can be just directly adhered with 3M to the helmet. So if you're not planning on moving it from helmet to helmet or want to move it in the future, this might be the correct option for you. This is the boom mic. So if you're using a 3/4 helmet, or you want to just have this inside of your full face, this will work as well. And we have the button mic, the smaller mic, which you can use inside of the full face helmets. Very nice connection. And lastly, this is just a simple charging cable. So yeah, I wonder if you get two charging cables, one for each device. So it looks like you have everything you need here to get started, and we will be coming back with another video showing you how to install this directly on your helmets. Again, this is the XGP X10 motorcycle mesh intercom. Again, the packaging is awesome. Look at how clean and clear the packaging is. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.